only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share 3 DIY Glam Bunny projects. Who's excited for bunny season? I sure am. I certainly hope you enjoy. My first DIY starts with this little cardboard bunny. I purchased a pack of foam bunnies, and this little cardboard template was perfect for what I had in mind. I took some of this glitter foam from a previous project and flipped it over and traced the bunny. Taking a pencil, I traced out 3 bunny shapes. I then took some scissors and cut them out. Once I had all 3 bunnies, I took some cotton balls and added little tails. I fluffed out the cotton balls to give a nice round shape, and I hot glued them in place. I then used this rose gold bunting kit that I picked up from the store Typo. I absolutely loved these guys. The colour is just stunning, and I knew they'd be the perfect backdrop for my little bunnies. I decided I wanted to add a 4th bunny so I could make the width of my mantle perfect. So I cut another one out off camera, and then I hot glued all the bunnies to each of the banners. I then took the jute string that came in the pack and I threaded it through the back of each of the bunnies. I then took these Christmas glitter bows that I picked up from Spotlight last year, and I added a bow into the middle of each bunny.
If I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know if I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
I absolutely love how my pretty little bunny garland came. It fits perfectly on my mantle, and I love how it has that glitter glam touch for the season.
Try to shut up and just put up with all the lies they told. Guess this is what it's like when you grow up. I'm feeling old.
I love to show you inexpensive ways to add a piece of decor in your home that isn't going to cost you a fortune. Here is a simple DIY, guys. It has the sparkle, it has the glam that I was going for, and I absolutely love sharing these ideas with you so you can recreate them.
I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself.
Before you know it, Easter will be here. I know you are all excited to decorate with your spring decor and bring out those bunnies. Here is a simple DIY project that you could do this weekend, and you could be prepared as the season approaches.
Standing high and I'll win the fight.
on to my second cute DIY. I love sharing bunny ideas with you and was so excited to create this one. I picked up this little pot, guys, from the store Bed Bath and Table. It was on clearance and I love how it had polka dots. I cut a piece of floral foam to size and added it inside. I then took 3 Kmart Australia pink roses and placed them inside. I then took a large dollar store white pom-pom and I hot glued it to the edge of the little pot. I then took a little cotton bud and I hot glued that for Bunny's tail. I then took this super cute dollar store polka dot plate and I turned it over and just freehand, guys, I drew what I thought a little bunny's foot would look like. I then took some scissors and cut them out. Off camera, I then hot glued them to my little bunny. Around the pot, I added this mesh pink ribbon and added a gold dollar store heart to the centre. I then took these bling crystal-like adhesive rhinestones and I added them to the bottom of the feet of the bunny. I then took this foam Easter egg and using it as my template, I traced it on to another one of those polka dot plates. Once I'd cut it out, I then glued it to one of these little skewers. I then positioned the Easter egg inside the foam. Project was something that I always wanted to do and I had so much fun creating him. And my final DIY, guys, goes with a really glam bunny. I picked up this little white bunny last year from Kmart and I wanted to give him a glam touch. I simply took some of this Dior ribbon and added it around the neck of the bunny. I then took one of those Christmas little glitter bows and one of these little spotlight brooches. I hot glued that to the centre and then glued it to the bunny.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night, put you in that spotlight.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own Glam Bunnies.
Until my lungs get...
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Ooh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know